Shocking discoveries beneath the waves. Scientists have found evidence on shark teeth that could spell trouble for the entire ocean ecosystem. When it comes to the celebrated apex predators of the sea, most assume they're indestructible. But what if their greatest asset, their constantly regenerating teeth, is vulnerable in ways we never imagined? Here's where the story takes a surprising turn. Despite their reputation for toughness, sharks' razor-sharp teeth are beginning to show unexpected signs of weakness in the face of environmental changes. A research team from Heinrich Heine University in Düsseldorf, Germany, decided to look beyond the obvious and investigate how rising ocean acidity is affecting blacktip shark teeth. Their peer-reviewed work, featured in Frontiers in Marine Science, reveals worrying consequences that are hard to ignore. Their method? Researchers collected over 600 naturally shed shark teeth from an aquarium tank hosting blacktip sharks. To mimic future ocean conditions, they exposed select teeth to 2 different environments for 8 weeks. One with the regular pH of about 8.1 and another much more acidic at 7.3, a level scientists estimate we could reach by 2300 due to surging CO2 emissions. Out of these, 16 teeth were closely monitored in individual tanks, while 36 teeth had their structure analyzed before and after exposure. The results are both startling and controversial. In acidic water, the teeth didn't just lose a little sparkle. They developed cracks, holes, and eroded roots. Advanced imaging revealed their shape changed, with rough surfaces and uneven edges. Ironically, this roughness might allow for better slicing, but the downside is just as clear. The teeth become weaker and more likely to break. Could this mean that climate change threatens sharks' status as top predators? And this is the part most people miss. Although the experiment used cemented, non-living teeth, which cannot repair themselves, living sharks have some ability to heal or replace damaged teeth. Still, the process of growing new teeth or remineralizing existing ones requires energy. And in a more hostile, acidic ocean, that might drain essential resources. Consider blacktip sharks, whose hunting style keeps their teeth constantly in contact with seawater. Even small changes in pH could lead to long-term, hidden damage, especially for species that don't replace their teeth very rapidly. The big worry? Tiny cracks and structural flaws could make it harder for these animals to catch their prey and survive. Professor Sebastian Fraun, leading the Institute of Zoology and Organismic Interactions at HHU, praised the spirit of student-led research that sparked this discovery. Curiosity and initiative can lead to insights that transform our understanding of nature, he emphasized. The findings raise a tough question. If shark teeth, essential hunting tools, are already deteriorating, what other vital elements of ocean life might be at risk next? How far will the ripple effects of climate change spread in ways we aren't even prepared to confront? Scientists like Maximilian Baum, the project's lead author, warn that maintaining current ocean pH could be crucial for preserving entire food webs and the fragile balance of marine ecosystems. But here's a point bound to spark debate. Should humans take drastic action to curb acidification, knowing even subtle changes can weaken apex predators? Or are we overestimating nature's fragility? Some may argue that sharks will simply evolve, while others fear such adaptation may come too late to prevent a collapse in ocean biodiversity. So what do you think? Is this new evidence a compelling wake-up call? Or are researchers sounding the alarm too soon? Are sharks just the first sign of deeper trouble within our oceans? Or will nature manage to find its own way out? Share your thoughts below. Do you see this as reason for urgent concern? Or do you have a different take on the fate of the world's most iconic predators?